So, you've just moved into university, but you don't have any friends yet. Well, this video is for you. I'm Louis, and today we're going to be going over 5 tips on how to make friends at university. Number 1, talk to your flatmates. Whether you're in a house or student halls, talking to your flatmates will allow you to meet like-minded people early on. I personally recommend leaving your room door open, as this can make other people in your house or flat more comfortable at coming in and saying hello. Number 2, strike up a conversation with your course mates. When I first started my course, I remember how awkward it felt when I walked into a lecture hall and sat with loads of students I've never met before. However, talking to these students allowed me to quickly become more comfortable, and within the first few minutes I was already on the road to making new friends. Number 3, make use of social media. A great way to get to know people before even starting your course is to either create or join a group chat with your course mates or housemates. It might be a good idea to check your university's social media to see if they've made a page for meeting these people in advance. In my case, my university had set up a Facebook page for the residents of my accommodation, as well as a Facebook page for the applicants of the course I was studying. Posting on these pages allowed me to join a group chat with these people before I even moved into university. Number 4, organise a gathering. I met my best friends at university through a course barbecue, so if that doesn't say enough, I don't know what will. It doesn't have to be a barbecue, however. Perhaps consider organising something such as a picnic or maybe a games night. And number 5, go to the welcome parties. I remember when I first started university, there were plenty of welcome parties being hosted at people's flats. At first I was quite nervous about going to these parties, but once I was there, I found myself talking to a lot of people with similar interests, allowing me to form some friends even. And those are my 5 tips for making friends at university. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.